Hi guys, I'm Dana Bomar and I'm going to show you the Melt Beetlejuice PR box. You guys are not ready for it. To be honest, I don't even know if I'm ready for it. I keep joking around the office that I feel like an 80s like boom box that I'm carrying around. So clear some space in your house. You might need to get rid of some furniture to keep this thing. We have been working on this collection for a year and a half, at least. And this has been a really hard secret to keep for a year and a half. And it's opening for me. I mean, that kind of worked out nicely. The collection includes 2 eyeshadow palettes, 3 gel liners, 3 foiled liquid lipsticks, 3 bullet lipsticks, a brand new mascara, which is seriously so exciting, and an eyelash curler, and then all the accessories. So 5 brushes, a bag, and a mirror. Let's start with Recently Deceased. On the inside here, a scene, the graveyard scene in the movie, and it looks like a little film negative to me. These are so cute. So this is an 8 shadow palette of greens and purples with Beetlejuice himself on there. This is Beetlejuice. Of course, it's that amazing lime green. Then the next one is Paranormal, which is like a shimmery green. So pretty. Next is Draw a Door. This is that perfect mossy yellow green. This is Neurotic. I also have this on my eyes. That's that shimmery color you see on my lid. I love this shade. This is Recently Deceased. This is a beautiful shimmery violet pressed pigment. Next one is Lost Souls. This one is completely matte, but more of that violet base, so it's got a little bit of blue to it. Little Accident is really a more warm magenta. So the last shade, Bio Exorcist, is more of an amethyst shade, matte shade. Here is Recently Deceased. We'll do Waiting Room next. All of these colors were inspired by the Waiting Room and all of the characters. So on the inside of the Waiting Room palette is the Sod Girl scene. Love these, they really do look like little film negatives to me. And I'm gonna start with Obituary. This is a burgundy matte shade, No Exit. It's an extra deep burgundy shade. Also a matte. Next one is Sod Girl. This is a gorgeous cranberry metallic pressed pigment. Next is Dante's Inferno. Definitely has like a copper red in there. This shade, Lydia, of course, looks like her wedding dress. Next is Charman. This is a super, super pitch black shadow. Next one is Tombstone. This is a mid-tone gray. Next is gonna be a little lighter gray, still matte, shrunken head. Next is Juno. This color is so pretty. It's a shimmery silver, but this definitely applies more sheer. So when you put it on, you're gonna see mostly just silver sparkle. And then the last one is Sandworm. So this one looks very light, but it definitely has a gray tone to it, so it's not just like a flat white. So here is the Waiting Room. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This is a brand new mascara, and I am in love with this mascara. So the outside obviously is all Beetlejuice. This brush, you can see, has all crazy bristles in there, so it really grabs and pulls the lashes. This shape too, you get tons of mascara. So Laura and I wanted this to be a super dramatic, thickening, building mascara. So this is definitely an everyday makeup item. We made a matching eyelash curler, so cute with the little detail. Melt Loves Beetlejuice on the top. Let's go through the 3 bullet lipsticks. The packaging is that gorgeous acrylic that matches the Recently Deceased palette. Ta-da! This is amazing. This is Miss Argentina. This is a bright, warm red. Pow. This is Calypso. This one has a blue pearl in it, so it gives you a really nice sheen. A beautiful olive green. This is Ghost with the Most. Olives to me are more neutral, so it's got that deeper shade. You can play with these colors with any of your looks from the collection. So these are amazing, by the way. These are our ElecTRIP. See what we did there? Not electric, but ElecTRIP lip stains. So these start out shimmery. When they dry down, they set to a foil. You can see I'm wearing, it's Showtime. And then when you take it off, underneath is a really pretty lip stain. So you can wear this all day. It's not a lip gloss, it's definitely a liquid lipstick formula that completely sets. There's no transfer on these at all. So great for under a mask. This first one is Strange and Unusual. So this is definitely on the kind of red pink side. This is It's Showtime, that's the one I'm wearing. It's Showtime I would describe as a warm purple, and this last one, Weirder and Weirder, is so cool. This is more of like a black base with purple shimmer in there. The next thing is the gel liners and a pigment paint. Okay, so let's start with the Afterlife. This is that beautiful lime green. This is 125 years. It's super, super flattering on all skin tones. Everyone we put this on, it's so pretty. This is a pigment paint because Laura and I wanted the most intense, rich, beautiful purple. So she's not technically approved for the eyes, but you know Laura and I like to break the rules. So use it at your own discretion if you want to put it on the eyes. Okay, so let's talk about the Beetlejuice brushes. There's 4 detail eye brushes and a lip brush. So all of the brushes come in this really adorable clutch. It's got the sandworm on the outside. It's got a little zipper on the inside, so you definitely can, oh, there's more brushes in here. You can definitely use this as a little makeup bag or carry it as a clutch. It's a little faux leather clutch, so cute. So you guys have been asking for a mirror. Our beautiful Melt logo is embossed on here. It's like a little. All right, that's the entire collection. Sign up for our newsletter. It seems fitting that we would do a Beetlejuice collection because he's been a part of literally every campaign, every Melt campaign. Go and look because it's Laura's favorite side. Beetlejuice is there. He's been with us since the beginning. So now he actually gets to be a part of Melt, which is so exciting. Is it weird that we all think that Beetlejuice is sexy? Because he is.